How to create a private server on Roblox Mobile. First thing you have to do is make sure that your Roblox app is up to date. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and search for Roblox. And once you search for it, you can just see if there is an update button available. And if there is not, you can just go ahead and open up the app. Once you open the app up, you make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you want to choose an experience or a game where you want to create a private server. So for example, I'm just going to search for something like Adopt Me and tap on it. Once you have done that, tap on the first game right here. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the descriptions and stuff. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom where you see the socials like X, YouTube, and Discord, right above that you have the servers option. Simply tap on the servers option and you'll be taken to a different page. So creating a private server really depends on the game or the experience. In some cases, you might need Robux to create private server, but in this case, I can easily create a private server without paying anything. So you can just tap on create private server and you can give your server a name. So I'm just gonna name like this. Now, once you have done that, you could just click on buy now. And once that is done, the purchase is now complete. So you can customize your private server. So click on not now for now. And as you can see, you will be able to join this server right here. Now you can also invite your friends to play together. And that's how you create a private server on Roblox Mobile. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.